हेलो फ्रेंड्स, हाउ आर यू? दर्शना, ऋषि, फाइन, क्या बात है। अच्छा चलो, वृंदा, कैन वी स्टार्ट? दिस इज आवर लास्ट लेक्चर related with organic compound having nitrogen atom. We have already studied about the amines, cyanide, isocyanate, and this is the last topic of this unit. In this unit, we should have to understand about types, otherwise classification. Second one, nomenclature. Third one, methods of preparation. And last one, properties. Properties, there are two type of property. First one, physical, and second one, chemical. In classification, nitro group, nitro compound, this is nitro group, NO2. Organic compound in which nitro group is directly attached to the carbon atom. That compounds are known as a nitro compound. Organ means carbon. ऐसे कंपाउंड के जिसमें कार्बन के साथ नाइट्रोजन अटैचमेंट में, they are known as a nitro compound. And they can be classified as per membership of this carbon atom. If this carbon is a member of alkyl group, we can say alkyl nitro compound. Otherwise, you can say nitroalkanes. CH3NO2. CH group is alkyl group. Alkyl group is always symbolized by R, and general formula for nitro compound is RNO2. If this carbon is a member of benzene ring, otherwise phenyl group, you can say aryl group. This is the association. This is known as a nitrobenzene. Yes, its general formula is to be indicated by ArNO2, otherwise PHNO2. Third type, suppose this carbon is a member of alkyl group, and with that carbon, one nitrogen will be substituted by aryl group, and they are known as aryl alkyl nitro compound. In this type of compound, there is no direct bonding between carbon atom of benzene ring and NO2. दोनों को जोड़ने वाला कोई और अलग कार्बन है. That's why they are known as aryl alkyl nitro compound. Its general formula is ArRNO2. Okay. Then nomenclature. कोई भी organic compound के बारे में there may be two types of method. First one, common method. Second one, IUPAC method. Yes, as we go from top to bottom in homologous series, कुछ नहीं, R में number of carbon atom increase होते जाएंगे. देखो, this is the alkyl group having one carbon, that is methyl. This is alkyl group having two carbon, is ethyl. Alkyl group having three carbon, two types. This one is primary propyl, second one is secondary propyl. And alkyl group having four carbon atom. There are four types: primary butyl, secondary butyl, tertiary butyl, and isobutyl. Finally, NO2 group will directly add to the benzene. In common method, we will go from left hand side to right hand side. That means first of all we should have to mention R as alkyl, and then NO2 is to be mentioned as nitro. Means during this method, nitro is to be used as a suffix. Whereas in IUPAC method, okay, similarly, same way we will go from left hand side to right hand side. But here quite different. In this method, R is to be mentioned as a alkane. Suppose one carbon is present in R, then we can say methane. R having two carbon, ethane. Now we start the nomenclature. This is methyl nitro compound. This is nitromethane. This is ethyl nitro compound. nitroethane. This group is primary propyl. Primary propyl nitro compound. 1 nitropropane. Means nitro group is present on first carbon atom. 1, 2, 3. Numbering is to be given from 3 carbon. This is secondary propyl group. Secondary propyl nitro compound. In IUPAC method, NO2 group is present on second carbon. That's why position always indicated first of all, then name of group, and then root hydrocarbon. That's why 2 nitropropane. In this one, this is are having 4 carbon. It is known as butyl group. Primary butyl nitro compound. This is 1 nitrobutane because it is the derivative of butane in which NO2 group is present on first carbon atom. 1, 2, 3 and 4. That's why it is known as 1 nitrobutane. This group is secondary butyl nitro compound. Here nitro group is present on second carbon. That's why 2 nitrobutane. This group is known as a tertiary butyl group, and nitro group is attached with tertiary butyl group. That's why it is known as a tertiary butyl nitro compound. In IUPAC method, you select the longest carbon chain having 3 carbon atoms, in which methyl group is present on second carbon and nitro group is also present on second carbon atom. That's why 2-methyl, 2-nitropropane. In alphabetically order, M for methyl and N for nitro. M is to be mentioned first of all. And this functional group is known as the isobutyl nitro compound. In this compound, longest carbon chain having 3 carbon atom, and 1, 2, 3. Methyl group is present on second carbon and nitro group is present on first carbon. That's why it is known as a 2-methyl 1-nitropropane. And this is phenyl nitro compound, nitrobenzene. This is the nomenclature. Then methods of preparation. Yes, how can we prepare nitroalkene compound? How can we prepare aryl nitro compounds? First, yes, nitroalkene compound कैसे बनाया जाता है? सब देखो, this is the propane. On heating propane with dilute HNO3 at 400 centigrade temperature. At that time, mixture of this is nitromethane, nitroethane, and 1 nitropropane. This mixture is obtained. An aromatic nitro compound can be prepared by nitration of benzene ring. Achha, nitration of benzene. If you want to do the nitration, you should have to use nitrating agent. What is the nitrating agent? Yes, a mixture of concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4 is known as a nitrating agent. When this mixture is heated with benzene at 80 centigrade temperature, at that time removal of water molecule, finally nitrobenzene is to be obtained. Now we will try to see the mechanism of reaction. How nitrobenzene is observed. Benzene possess 6 corner, each corner पे हाइड्रोजन होगा. दिस इज द HNO3. HNO3 का OH part है, benzene ring का H part will remove as a byproduct. Nitro group will directly attach to the benzene ring. That's why our product will be nitrobenzene. Properties. In case of property, physical properties, by nitro compound always in yellow color. उसकी स्मेल कैसी होती है? बीटल एलिमेंट जैसी, just like benzaldehyde, nitrobenzene. They are polar compound. They are always used as a solvent. In chemical property, only one reaction is there, that is the reduction. मैंने पहले भी बताया कि व्हाट इज द रिडक्शन, एडिशन ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एंड रिमूवल ऑफ ऑक्सीजन इज नोन एज रिडक्शन रिएक्शन. During the reduction, we should have to use nickel as a reducing agent. When nitro compound heated with, yes, hydrogen, mixture of hydrogen and nickel at 600 centigrade temperature. At that time, NO2 group will converted into NH2. Yes, what is the mechanism? How NO2 will convert into NH2? You see. Yes, this is the nitro RNO2 नाइट्रो कंपाउंड है. ऑलवेज ऑक्सीजन, मैंने पहले कहा रिडक्शन मीन्स एडिशन ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एंड रिमूवल ऑफ ऑक्सीजन. हाइड्रोजन ऐड होगा, ऑक्सीजन, व्हेन ऑक्सीजन इज रिमूव एट दैट टाइम, यस, वाटर मॉलिक्यूल के फॉर्म में रिमूव होगा. और वाटर बनने के लिए वन ऑक्सीजन रिक्वायर्ड टू हाइड्रोजन एटम्स. तो वन मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ हाइड्रोजन कंबाइन इनके साथ सेकंड ये ऑफ दिस ऑक्सीजन विल आल्सो डिमांड वन मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एंड थर्ड molecule will directly attach to the nitrogen. Finally it will gives NH2. During this reaction, two water molecule will remove as a byproduct. Now you see, you observe the general reaction. RNO2 will convert into RNH2. R remain as it is. NO2 is replaced by NH2. Now in CH3NO2, this is nitromethane, this one is nitroethane, this is the nitrobenzene. In this, the portion except NO2 is known as R. This portion is a R. Yeah, ethyl group is also R. This phenyl group is also R. During this reaction, only NO2 group will convert into NH2. R will remain as it is. तो हमें NO2 की जगह Na2 लिखना है और कुछ नहीं लिखना. CH3 will remain as it is. CH3 NH2. CH3 CH2 NH2. Benzene having Na2. Okay, अपना ये खत्म हो गया. One more thing, friends. I'm not complete person. You mind well. स्वरा. फिर भी आपको कुछ ऐसा लगता है कि कुछ करेक्शन करना है, अच्छी चीज देने के लिए मैं ऑलवेज रेडी. लेकिन मेरी गलती निकालने वाले बच्चे ही होंगे. कोई बिल्डर मेरे को बोलेगा, कोई डॉक्टर बोलेगा, आई एम नॉट रेडी टू नोटिस दैट सेंटेंस. आप कभी भी वेन एवर यू वॉन्ट, आप कोई भी वीडियो ऑब्जर्व कीजिए, उसमें कुछ करेक्शन चाहिए, विदाउट एनी टाइप ऑफ हेजिटेशन यू टेल मी, मैसेज छोड़ दीजिए. डेफिनेटली आई एम रेडी टू फॉलो योर इंस्ट्रक्शन. ओके क्रिस, बाबू, our unit is over. Thank you very much.